everyone, and welcome back to the Roden Kids Pack a Day series. Today we have another Fates Collide pack. Let's get right into this.
Fates Collide. Ooh, I'm so creepy.
Alright.
Rawr. There.
Pupitar.
Pupitar.
Energy Resets. Servine.
Servine, cool.
Lucario. Ooh, he looks cool. Solosis. Burmy. Volibee. Larvitar. Oh, doubled. You didn't see that coming. Alright. Riolu and Seal. Overall, not the best pack.
You read
This
them
Lucario
all,
looks pretty cool.
Oh, Logan.
Yes.
Sorry to crush all your hopes and dreams, but you pronounced one Pokemon name wrong. It's Pupitar.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Lucario has Vacuum Wave, 50
Better
damage, and it's not affected by weakness or resistance, and Fight Alone. If you have fewer Pokemon in play than your opponent, you do 60 more for each fewer Pokemon. Oh, wow. That does a lot of damage. That can do pretty cool in a metal deck.
Okay, so
Let's move on to the online code.
Online, I can fight.
I give that a 4.
Finger punches.
online packy wacky.
Here we go. Oh, hold on. One moment.
You did it wrong. You should click that.
I'm so good at this.
Yeah, you are. No, I.
So loading the Pokeball. Is it gonna give us?
I know exactly which bar it is. Boom, that one. Alright. Let's do this.
Nami.
What we gonna get?
Some Nami noms.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Meowth.
10.
Larvitar.
After.
Bronzor. Cottony. Deerling.
Deerling.
Fairy Drop.
Fairy Drop, that's good.
Shuckle.
Ah, I love that guy.
Chaos Tower.
That one's pretty cool.
Another Cottony. What?
Right underneath.
Delphox.
I gotta.
What do you want to look at?
Gotta say
I don't
something.
really know what
You
I'm
have
looking
to say that this is pink because I'm pretty sure they're in all different colors depending on where you find them in the game. Like they could be green.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like green.
Okay, so here we have
Yeah, you better.
Deerling.
That is pink.
You got a problem?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Thank you for
That's my
watching.
problem.
Please like, subscribe, and comment, and you'll see us in the next video.
Bye.
And every other video that we have. Like and subscribe and bye.
Bye.